Hello and welcome to the highlights of match 15 of the Pakistan Junior League. Mardan Warriors versus Gwadar Sharks, and whoever wins this goes right on top of the table just before the playoffs.
Shorter ball. It's a true bounce now on this occasion. He pulls that away. Won't spare those in the power play.
Look at that. Sublime. And you can play shots like that, and then you see how he's got out some of the times.
It's a no ball and has been treated like one. It's been put away for a boundary. It was too full. And not only that, he's also awarded a free hit. And again, the minute he came down, he's got the line of the ball covered and he's played it to perfection. A couple of bounces. Straight as you like. And hits the parameter boards on the fall. And he's beaten that fielder at gully. Just open the face of the bat.
Oh, does he get this all the way? Fine leg up. You cannot bowl there to Luke Benkenstein. He just helps himself to a maximum. Half a dozen. And he gets it in the gap. It's a good shot from Luke Benkenstein. It wasn't a poor delivery, really. What he did... There's that reverse sweep. He's had a little bit of luck. He's already scored his highest score so far, and it's got even higher. Again, does he get it in the gap? No. Just picks out. Long on. Abdullah didn't really need to do that. I think he's trying to get it in the gap. That's out. Absolutely plumb. Goes back to a full ball. I'm talking about losing momentum. There's that reverse sweep again. And he gets all of this and gets his first 50 in the Pakistan Junior League. He's got off to a couple of good starts. Is he going to push on all the way? This is huge.
Now there's the wrong one. Plenty of bounce that time. We'll have to wait and see if there was any connection. It certainly bounced a long, long way. And there was connection. Bat involved. Standard leg spinner that time. Again, it's driven. Slightly overpitched. A good indication that the surface is good. We've seen a scramble back for the second.
Going well, scoring it over 10 and over. You've got 14 in the over already.
Beautifully played. The important thing about that is he didn't try and hit it too hard. It was just steered.
Again, yes and no. This should be out. And the throw is way too high. Good shot. The sound of it tells you don't need to look where it's going. Catch it is the call. You heard that, and it's taken. Very well judged. Very good catch from George Thomas down at wide long on. Shot. That's a good shot. He's launched that over extra cover. Gone. Just skids through. That should be out. That's got to be out. Yes, it is. And gone. 3 wickets in the over. What an over is this? 1 run and 3 wickets. Last ball is a dot ball. And this over will be remembered. They have taken the momentum away from the Gwadar Sharks. Just 1 run and 3 wickets in that last over.
So the target 178 to win this match and to go right on top of the table and get into qualifier 1.
That's sliding a bit leg side. No, the umpire stood still and just raised that finger. Sliced away just in front of square, and that's screamed for a boundary. They need that.
Slightly over pitch.
Big shot. He's showing it. It'll go to the boundary. Yes, it does. 3 men after it. And none of them were quick enough to catch up with the ball. Again, same result. In fact, this is even bigger. Probably one of the longest and biggest sixes in the PJL. 10 gone, 52 for 2.
Well, he goes straight. And once again, he goes long enough. All of a sudden now. Yes, keep going. Yeah, now he's in. Just remember how the great Chris Gale would do it. Have a look, have a look. Oh, that could be close, you know. That could be close, yeah, I thought so. Oh, brilliant. Yorker, I think he drags it on. And 2 wickets in the over. Bowled. It's brilliant now from the Sharks. Oh, that's a good slower ball as well.
That's played well as well. Dawood Nazar, the wicket keeper.
Oh, this is close as well. Given, yeah, thought so. Oh, wicket again. Mohammed Irfan. He goes first ball, and guess what? We're on another hat trick, the 3rd of the game.
Hold him. They lost another one. 8 down now. Oh, there might be another one too. There is another one. So he's picked up a fifer. Celebrations in the middle. This has all happened very quickly for Masood. And it looks like that is the game. 9 down, it's all done. What a really good performance by the Sharks. What a performance it is from the boys in blue. They will be so happy with this, giving them nice momentum going into the really, really sharp side of this tournament. There's no doubt the Warriors are going to have a little bit of thinking to do, but it's not going to be long before they're going to have to front up against the Raiders. That's going to be happening on Wednesday. And the Sharks are going to be up against the Royals in the qualifier on Tuesday.